Hi, in this video I will talk about prohibited pig meat. And so we know that the worst, we all know the worst. He only prohibits for you to eat of animals that die of themselves, blood, the meat of pigs, and animals dedicated to other than God. If one is forced without being malicious or deliberate, he incurs no sin, and God is forgiver, most merciful. So I feel, in my opinion, there are two things. One, spiritual reasons, and other one is the animal itself. So I think the spiritual reason itself is related to killing and subconscious guiltiness. Because killing animals, seeing something killed, is make you feel maybe you're guilty. And you probably can feel whether you are the worst person. And there are studies, I don't remember, if you keep killing animals as a job, and if you don't mention any name, if you think that it is your own behavior, and then you at some point you become sociopath, and you become so it shows us that killing animals, sort of like subconsciously killing animals like that, it makes us feel like that. So what about eating animals? So eating animals make us feel like that too. So that if we don't know, so if we feel that the God has created them, and so then, so we have to tell ourselves that God has created that. God is the creator of those animals, and we don't kill them. Actually, we sacrifice them for God, and then it will reduce um, our guiltiness, indeed. So, also furthermore, so there is a Toxoplasma Gondii literature about. Um, so we see the pig meat. So even you mention God's name, you shouldn't eat pigs, right? It's also forbidden. So here the research, a systematic review, and quite a popular one, academically acceptable and cited by many, and it's actually a systematic review. It combines the analysis of many research articles, and it shows that um, is an important disease, worldwide distribution. Infection can occur from ingesting raw or undercooked infected meat, and among food animals, animals, and pork is known to be one of the main sources of meat-borne infection. So, these guys are not like not biased because it's a systematic review. It's not the result of their study, and you see that it includes from 47 countries those picks. So, we take the take-home messages. Toxoplasma gondii is related to uh, pig consumption, right? Okay. So why it is a sin, and there because I think, and also there is a literature about Toxoplasma gondii is related to sins driving us mad. The association of Toxoplasma gondii with suicide attempts and traffic accidents. So let's see. This is also a review article, systematic review and meta-analysis. This indicates that preventing Toxoplasma gondii infection may play a role in the prevention of this TA or so TA means traffic accidents and or suicide attempts. Although uncertainty remains whether infection and outcome are truly causal. So obviously it is not causal, but we see that it is related. So they only collect papers. They collect some papers up to 11, it says. So 11 articles based on the results of it, and it shows that. So in the population, and think that if you eat those pig meat, it will increase the chances of the Toxoplasma gondii, and it may drive you crazy. And then it's also another study shows that. So it is about traffic accidents in Turkey. It is a well cited article, and so this infection is related to this. So some may claim that maybe pigs don't have that much, but yeah, we still cannot be sure. So that to reduce the risk, and uh, we can uh, just avoid eating pigs, and we can cook other food very well, and we should eat high quality food. And you know, if you're sick, you cannot help other people. And it is interesting that it increases maybe somehow risk-taking behavior. Risk-taking behavior is related to choosing even hell, because you don't care what's going on, you don't care what's happening. It makes you wanna take some risk, do some bad things. It's exactly like a and and it drives you to be a sinner, sort of. So God knows better is my interpretation, and and then it's still not eradicated. It's not completely, and like we know how to cook the meat, but still it's available. It's possible to be infected. So anyway, thanks for watching this video, and hope to see you. And God knows better. This is my interpretation, and someone else may have better explanation. And hope to see you in the next video.